So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy DraftKings call options here in Canada, ticker symbol DKNG here on Wealthsimple. So once you're into your Wealthsimple account, go to this bottom bar here and press on the search bar, or press on, I guess, the magnifying glass icon. Then at the top, go to the search bar, press on that. As I mentioned before, type in ticker symbol DKNG for DraftKings. So as you can tell, the first option right here, it says DKNG, DraftKings Incorporated, Class A on the NASDAQ with the options tab. Press on that one right there. Go to the bottom, press on buy, and then press on options. Now, if you wanted to buy DraftKings call options here in Canada, it's super simple. First thing you do at the top where it says, I believe that DKNG or DraftKings will rise by, press on where it says rise, and just make sure that call option is checked. So once that is done, if you want to change the expiry date, press on where it says September 29th, press on that, then change the expiry date to whatever one down the road you wish these options to expire on. So if you want to go out of the money, scroll up. If you want to go in the money, scroll down. Select whatever one you want. So for demonstration purposes, we're going to go ahead and press on $27 USD right here in the money as the strike price. And if you wanted to confirm this purchase of these call options, go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how to buy DraftKings call options here in Canada, ticker symbol DKNG here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.